Now, this is the natural thinking of parents. Even think that they think that why to burden my kid and let him enjoy his life and he will join the program later on in 11th or 12th. But the issue is that you are supposed to understand two basics. First, you are supposed to get the exposure of the competitive examination, that is the first, or competitive examination questions. Second one is that you should develop the techniques, respective techniques accordingly. These are the two things that are not going to covered in the school syllabus or the school examinations, right? So unless and until you are having the basic exposure of that, otherwise what will happen? They will come to 11th. They will get exposed to the huge syllabus of JEE or NEET or other examinations as such, and at the same time they have not developed their techniques. Now coming down to the techniques, I know the technique. I know that there is examination technique. I know that there is current topic study technique. I know that there is revision technique. I know that there is accuracy technique. But issue is I know it. Only knowing is not enough. I am supposed to hone the technique. I am supposed to practice the technique again and again and again. It will take 2 to 3 years. So by the time he appears for the 10th standard, he or she gets into the 11th standard, complete burden is relieved. He knows the technique, he is having the exposure of the competitive examination questions. So now 11, 12, JEE or NEET, they are just the formality for him. So parent naturally think that it is increasing the burden. Actually it is not, it is decreasing the burden. Okay, and 11th and 12th they are completely independent as such, and that's why the foundation program is must.